So this is my first patent, so initially I was very nervous about costs, finding an attorney, the steps that were involved, and when I found Patrick and we sat down and met for the first time, he made me feel 100% better about the whole process in general.
Hiring the right person for any kind of legal work can be extremely intimidating. You have to trust someone and you need an expert. With Patrick, you get both in one person. He's so good at what he does, and not only for patent work, you can use him as a point person for all of your legal work. If he doesn't know how to answer your question, he'll find the right person that does.
I was looking for somebody that could help me take some of my ideas, bounce them off of, and get an idea of how an idea gets to be a patent. And I wanted to find somebody that wasn't part of a big corporation, that was accessible and would really listen to me and my ideas and help guide me through the different avenues that a young inventor needs to be guided through.
Oftentimes when I come up with a new idea or a new product, I have my own thoughts as to what makes it special or different or has value. And a lot of times when I show it to Patrick, he gives me a completely new perspective on it. And oftentimes the value of the idea is actually much greater than I'd originally thought.
I was concerned that I really didn't have the greatest idea. I called Patrick, we discussed the patent, and now we're on the way to bringing a medical device to market.
One of my favorite things about Patrick is that after my patent was filed, his door did not close. We continue to go back and forth. If I have something that I need help on, he's always there to help me. So I think that's one thing that really stands out about him versus some of the big corporations out there.
Patrick's incredible at writing patent applications, but that's really only a tiny part of the value that he creates for my company and for me as a product developer. What really makes him stand out is the guidance and help with the strategy he gives us for getting the most intellectual property protection for our ideas.
Not only does he care more about you than the average attorney, I mean much more, but you will appreciate that every once in a while an idea you bring to him, he'll flat out tell you this is not something that is patentable. On the other hand, when you have great ideas, he'll tell you how great it can be. So he's extremely honest, and he has your best interests for the future of your company, not just for one day or 1 week. He really cares.